Would you rather make yourself dinner every night of 2024 and feel like you did a good job taking care of both your satisfaction and your nutrition? Or would you want to feel flustered and eat takeout and feel stressed about what you ate and feel like it just wasn't healthy? Would you rather honor the habits that you're trying to make in the new year, whether it's journaling or working out or eating healthy every day, or fall off the wagon with them and then feel like crap about yourself? Would you rather look in the mirror and be like, God damn, or look in the mirror and be like, I could really use 10 more pounds lost? Here's the thing though, if you're thinking to yourself right now, yeah, I should lose weight in the new year so I can feel this way, that's not what happens. That's not what works. And the longer you spend trying to convince yourself that getting to a certain size is what makes you consistent and makes you confident, the longer you will waste in your one precious life.